Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another blog tech tips here. We have the JSW TV, and this is a Google TV. Today I'll be sure to fix this issue. As you can see, these colors look off, or look kind of faded, or it looks kind of reddish, or a kind of hazy look. The colors just don't look right. This is what you do: go to settings, or quick settings, go to all settings, right there, your icon. Then next, when you're in the main settings as seen here, you're gonna go down. You're gonna go to accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, you're gonna go down to color correction, which is this option right here. Go ahead and select color correction, and as you can see, it's on red green. That's this D word there. And of course, just go ahead and turn off color correction, and usually it's on one of these. So if you turn off color correction, the TV is going to go back to its normal look. And as you can see here, the colors look vibrant and they're now correct, and they don't look off, or they do not look messed up. All right, so the color is now back to normal. As you can see, the TV looks normal, and videos and so on look normal. All right, so this is a common issue that can happen to your TV, where it looks kind of reddish, or it can look bluish or yellowish. The colors just look off. But by doing this, in most cases, that's what was causing it. So you can do that to fix it. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.